Hello YouTube, this is TerraTech Computers, your host Charlie. Today I am doing part 2 of my ITX build. I know my first video kind of failed because I didn't read my cooler over here was super freaking huge. Well, granted it is huge, I know that part, but too big for the case, I mean. I do know there's other Thermatech cases, like by body style, that actually will fit in. Apparently not the first I guess this is the first or second generation one. So, yeah. Well, while I was off camera, I did install USB 3.0 in front from the previous case. I decided not to use the SD card reader. It had a lot of bent pins and whatnot, so I'm not going to use it. But, today I do have my test bench. It's AMD 2. I like playing old AMD processors. So I figured since this cooler is super small, it should fit inside a case. So my goal is to remove this from the test bench and slide inside the computer case here and see if it fits. If it does, I'll swap this cooler onto the other board and see what happens. So before I do, let's get started. By removing this first, which isn't that hard. It's only a few screws. But this test bench I got on eBay. I paid like $30 for it. I do have another test bench setup style open case from Neon, I guess how you pronounce the name, and the closet. I like using that for like more bigger style boards, just since this is like limited. But the other one can handle standard ATX boards all the way up to E8TX boards, and any size power supply and hard drives, because it's that badass. One screw to left, and bam. Off comes the board. If you guys are curious, it's the AMD 2 dual-core Athlon processor. I can't remember the model number, but it does have, I do believe, two gig sticks of RAM. If I remember right. 1 second here. No, yeah, sorry, 1 gig sticks of RAM. That's right. I bought a lot of used DDR2 RAM from a recycle place to test and see which ones worked and which ones didn't. And this one of many that works great. Now I turn the camera here. Now undo all these damn thumb screws, which isn't too bad. It makes taking this apart a little easier. It's also a pain in the ass. So let's see. There it is. Sorry, it took me a second to remember which thumb screw takes off which piece. There we go. One more thumb screw left. And out pops the motherboard tray. Voila. So, I know this don't actually fit, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm just curious if this will fit on top of it. So, let's see what happens. I know I don't recommend doing this at home, but whatever. Well, believe it or not, even this cooler, the Hyper 212, or I do believe that's what the name of this cooler is, it's apparently, don't even see my finger here, that much too freaking tall to fit in this case. This ITX build is in a giant flop. So, I guess my ITX, I ITX case idea will have to wait. So, I guess I can consider this video an update, a progress, a failure, so to speak. But, if any case, I mean, I guess push comes to shove, I can always do like an 80mm radiator or something. But I don't know how well that's a cool 7700K AMD APU, considering they do get kind of hot. They're great processors, just kind of hot. Huh. Well, I guess I have to wait in the mail for my new Coolmaster cooler. Which is a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I had it in the past and it worked really good on my other AP projects. So, yeah. Well, I guess it's the end of this video for now. So, I will catch you guys later with my new test bench setup and see what it takes to bottleneck a Fury and a 390X, since I can't do too much with it at the moment. But I will do a future video of a test bench of the new setup I got for super cheap at the recycle place. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.